If history has anything to do with it, get ready for an exciting finish in the Lone Star State.
Welcome to PGA Tour Today, presented by MasterCard.
From moving day Saturday to final round Sunday, players prepare for one more round at the HP Byron Nelson Championship. Hello everyone, I'm Casey Black. From a 16-year-old amateur within contention to win, to a rookie who is just 2 shots back, to a Ryder Cup captain looking to make history by becoming the first player to win the Texas Grand Slam, get ready for some great golf on Sunday. And one player who has already demonstrated some great golf is Jason Day. After hitting his tee shot in the drink on the 18th, Day had this big par save to help contribute to his third round 3 under 67. Looking for his first win on tour, the Aussie carded 4 birdies and just 1 bogey and is at 12 under par heading into the final round. And joining him in the final pairing is another player who is also looking for his first win on tour, Blake Adams. Playing in just his 14th event on tour, Adams posted an even par 70 to sit 2 shots back at 10 under par. Bottom line, it's going to be an exciting Sunday if history has anything to say about it. Out of the 21 events on tour this year, more than half have been won by just a single stroke or a playoff. Only 4 events have been won by more than 2 strokes, and 6 players have come from 3 shots back or more to win on Sunday. And that may be great news for the 16-year-old amateur who is 6 shots off the lead after shooting a 3 under 67 on Saturday, his 3rd consecutive round in the 60s. With a par save on the 18th, Jordan Spieth heads into the final round Sunday at 6 under par. The reigning U.S. Junior Amateur champion carded 6 birdies and 3 bogeys in his 3rd round, while only taking the putter back 24 times and averaging just under 300 yards per drive. And from the youngest player in the field to a tenured professional and Ryder Cup captain, Corey Pavin, with a win at this event, Pavin would have won all 4 events on the Texas swing, nabbing what's called the Texas Grand Slam. He's at 6 under par, also 6 shots back. Michael Collins is in the Lone Star State and has more on what we can expect for the final round. Michael?
Thanks, Casey. You know, if Jason Day wouldn't have made that putt from off the green on 18, my prediction for 11 under would have been right. I hate that. But I love Jason Day. That's my boy out here, and I'd love to see him win. I'll tell you this much right now. He's going to need that extra shot going into the 4th round because the forecast for Sunday, no rain, but the winds you saw late in the afternoon for the 3rd round are going to be just as strong all day on Sunday. 20-mile-an-hour winds with up to 25-mile-an-hour gusts. This, of course, it's already firm and fast. Now you got holes like number 15 playing into the wind at 508 yards. Woo, woo, that's all you want. There's nobody out here that has gone this 3 rounds without a bogey. And I'll tell you this right now, everybody better be patient because bogeys are going to happen in the 4th round. Can you get through them and make a couple birdies out there? That's what everybody's hoping. I said 11 under was going to be leading after the 3rd round. I'll tell you right now, winning score since Jason Day made it to 12 under, I'll say 13 under wins the thing. Yeah, I'm on the Byron Nelson right there. If you want to lift Byron's trophy, you got to get the 13 under. But you know there's only one place you're going to find out everything that's going on. Sirius 209, XM 146, and PGAtour.com. We're on noon Eastern until end of play. Normally 6 o'clock, but you know how we roll. If they want to play on, we're going to stay on.
Thank you, Michael. You can catch the final round television coverage starting at 3 p.m. Eastern Time on CBS. And don't forget, for video updates, live scoring, shot tracker, or the live report anytime, head to PGAtour.com.
PGA Tour Today is presented by MasterCard. There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's MasterCard, proud sponsor of the PGA Tour.